Good morning, folks. We're going to make an Instapot strawberry trail mix oatmeal. But instead of me using strawberries, I'm going to use blueberries. You can use blueberries or strawberries. So let's get started. 1 cup of steel cut oats, 1.5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon of dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1 tablespoon of chopped dry apricots, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of chopped pecan. It's a lengthy recipe. That's okay because it's going to taste good. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and tasty toppings, choose your favorite. Use about 1/2 to 1 cup. And then extra cinnamon if you want, extra sugar, and extra pecans, extra fruit after you're done. Whatever you want to make it extra and tasty. I'm going to have everything in the description box below. And you need to spray your bowl so nothing sticks. Add all the ingredients except for the topping to the Instapot. There. Press manual button and adjust time to 10 minutes. When the minute beeps, do a quick release. The pressure. Unlock and stir the oatmeal. Spoon the cooked into the 2 bowls and pile on the topping. This is where you put anything you want on the top. So let me bring my camera down and I'll bring you right back and you can see what's going to happen. Okay, we're going to get started. We're going to put the oats in, and that is 1 cup. But make sure this is sprayed first. You don't want to mess that up. 1.5 cups of water. I've got my Instapot tilted a little so you can see. 2 tablespoons of butter going right in. 2 tablespoons of butter. We got orange juice going right in. 1 cup of orange juice. Oh, I like orange juice. How about you? We have some cranberries. We have a tablespoon of cranberries. It's one of my favorites. And we have a tablespoon of raisins right here going right in. And we have dried apricots, and that's another tablespoon. That's chopped. These are chopped. I already had a few of them. Yummy. And you want a tablespoon of maple syrup, and this is maple syrup that we made here on the farm, but you can use whatever you got. We made this a couple of years ago. I wasn't able to make it last year for medical reasons. And let's see here, we need a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now all this yumminess, apricot, cinnamon, cranberries, that's gonna smell some good. And now we need 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans. There you go. Yummy. And then, let's see here. You want an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And I had my salt out here somewhere. Did it disappear? Oh, it probably did, but that's okay. We can get some more, not a problem. You want 1/8 teaspoon, and that's just a little dab will do you. Just itty bitty bit, and I use pink Himalayan. I must have thought the pan was dirty and put it in the sink. I'm known to do that. And the tasty toppings that you choose of your choice. you want to use a half to a cup. And then you can use extra sugar, extra pecans, extra fruit at the end. But this only at the end. And you want to help, the spray helps everything from sticking to the pan. Allow all the ingredients toppings to the Instapot. Press manual button. Adjust the time to 10 minutes. When the timer beeps, quickly release the pressure. Unlock and stir oatmeal with a spoon. And you're gonna have 2 bowls if you want, depending how much you want to serve, and pile on the toppings. This is where you can put anything extra you want. So what I'm gonna do when this is all done, I'm gonna stir in, maybe leave it on the top, not sure. I'm gonna do some blueberries and chopped pecans. So I'm going to put this on the manual and we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes and I'll bring you back. Okay, it's all done. I'm going to make sure there's no steam in here. Oh yeah, baby, look at that steam blow. You can probably hear it as well. I'm just looking for a spoon, and I found it. I'm going to use my Grammie spoon. Think of her every day. Today's in the high 90s, and I think after this, I'm going swimming. And I'll move Pumpkin into the house where it's air conditioning. And an update on Pumpkin, she's a little bit better. She's moving her leg a little bit better. And the folks that don't know, she tore the inside of her knee, her tendon, and chipped a bone. So she has to be contained, and she's not real happy about that because she's a squirrel chaser. So it's almost done here. And when it's done, when I open the cover, I always say it's singing to me. This is my 3-quart Instapot that I'm using because I thought, why do I not need the big one? And I really like this size. I think I'm going to be able to do a lot of things with it. I hope anyways. And when you just got 2 people, it's kind of perfect. I have to look and see if my little inserts will fit. I haven't done that yet. Been extremely busy between mowing and gardening. I like to get back doing live streams, but God, I just don't have time. Okay, I think it's just about done. And you want to make sure when you take the cover off, you don't take the cover off in your face, you take it away from you. I'm leaving it like this so you can see. And I'm gonna prop the book up again, just so you can see better. And it's completely done. I believe you'll be able to see it. I'm gonna take the cover off. Hear that? It's singing to me. Oh yeah. Oh, doesn't that smell good? Okay, it says we need to stir it. That's what I'm doing. Look at that. The walnuts and the cranberries and all that goodness. Okay. I am getting a bowl here. I'm gonna take a little bit. But baby, is it gonna be hot. Look at the steam. So, I'm gonna bring the camera up and I'm gonna taste test it and I'm gonna let you know how it is. So we'll be back. Okay, folks, this is what it looks like. I put some blueberries and I put some pecans in there. Doesn't that look good? So I'm going to give it a taste test. It's still a little warm. It is very good. You can taste the cinnamon, you can taste the cranberries, you can taste everything. Ray's gonna love this. The last breakfast one I made in the Instapot, he ate it all. It's very, very good. It's a real close-up of it. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. I say this is an A+. I'll be keeping this. And my Instapot, that's the wonderful thing. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you're looking to subscribe, just hit that bell. And all the people that follow me, I thank you. And I'll be giving away a giveaway because I've reached over 2,000. I'm not sure when things slow down a little. You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And on Facebook, I do have a page called MAINEiac Grammie. And Ray will be having his channel up, I think tomorrow. Depends how pumpkin is today. So you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. I'm going in the pool. Have a great day. Bye.